Hey there explorers, are you ready for today's quiz? Which land animal is known for its large casque, helmet-like structure, on top of its head? Is it a cassowary, an ostrich, or a peacock? The answer is a cassowary. Which animal has specially adapted feet that help it climb steep mountain cliffs? Is it a deer, a mountain goat, or a wild boar? The answer is a mountain goat. Which marine animal has a transparent body and is often called the sea walnut? Is it a jellyfish, a sea cucumber, or a comb jelly? The answer is a comb jelly. Which ocean animal uses its long bill to slash through schools of fish while hunting? Is it a marlin, a pufferfish, or a sea turtle? The answer is a marlin. If you enjoy this video, follow for more.